Yeah. Oops. Blast off.
Where's your hoover?
You going to clean the floor now, Adam? Clean up all your mess.
Going to vacuum Grant's kitchen. Grant's kitchen's a mess. With all the Christmas dinner stuff. Oh, he's climbing on Gran. Going to sit on Grandpa's, great Grandpa's chair. Hey. Grandad, putting your vacuum on.
Here you go.
Can you switch it on? Grandad. It's at the back. Oops, a daisy.
Five, four, three, two, one, blast off.
Oh, Margaret.
Hey.
Such lack of respect for Gran's old cradle.
Hoover. Hoover.
Marcus? Adam? Sorry,
Making
sweetheart.
a video of him and you can't even get his name right.
Sorry, darling. You know, your Gran's getting old and she gets muddled up.
Duncan A. Day, Kevin.
Yeah. You're going to help Grandad vacuum.
Kevin A. Crochet Adam.
Oh, come on, Yes, we'll go and see you.
This way, Adam.
That's right. There we go. There we go. You're going to do it. You're going to put the hoover.
That's it. You clean the floor for Gran.
What's it, boy?
Boy.
Clever boy.
Where's Grandad? Here's Grandad, Adam. Give Grandad a cuddle. Go and see Grandad. Go and see Grandad. Oh, you want to play the organ now? No, not bothering about that. Hello, Grandad. Oops. Hello, Mummy. Oh, Mummy's sucking a dummy.
So Mummy's got your dummy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Hey.
Where are you going now? You're going to sit in your chair. Adam. Look. Or you're going back to... Yeah, Grandad switched it off. Where's Dolly Lala? Where's Dolly Lala? Go and get Dolly Lala. Put her to bed, she's tired. That's a good boy. Put Dolly Lala to bed for a sleepy lie down. Sleepy lie down for Dolly Lala. Yeah, but you're not supposed to hold her by the scruff.
Oh,
Have you got cuddles for Dolly Lala?
Cuddles.
Cuddles? Oh, cuddles.
Round and round the garden. Round and round the garden.
Oops. We're taking Dolly Lala to see Grandad. Look, Grandad.
Oh,
Here's Dolly Lala.
Oh,
Dolly Lala's about 30. At least 30.
small for her age.
She's never grown up.
Look, the hoovers, man. You can look the hoover.